Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to go through all the basic steps that is going to help you get the perfect braided ponytail. So your braids are not going to lift around the pony. The point is going to be a point and not like a rectangle that you have to force and tie. God, we have made so many mistakes along the way. But today with this tutorial, you'll be able to get your perfect braided ponytail every single time. So the first thing you do is shear the hair into 4 sections. You make a line from the forehead to the nape of the neck, and then from ear to your ear, just like this. Make sure it is straight, 4 equal parts, and then just around that point we are going to make 1 braid per section, just like this. Another mistake I have always had is whenever I am done with the braids inside here, it always turns out to be smaller than the tail or the pony of the braids that go like from the face to that point. So try to make it to be as big as the size you would want your hair to be. The next tip is to shear each of this section into 2. So we're working on 1/4 of it. Shear it into 2. Now if you're going to braid like, let's say 8 braids per quarter, so you shear into 2, you have 4 on one side, 4 on one side, and then one of those halves again you shear into 2, so that you have 2 and 2, and then for the last smaller piece you then shear into 2. That way your braids are going to come out perfectly equal. So keep shearing in 2s if you're going for an even number of braids. Let's say I want to make 6 braids on each of the quarter, that's 12 braids for the whole ponytail, right? Then I would shear, after getting my 4 sections, I would shear each section into, no, that means if I am making like 6 per quarter, 6 12, that's 24 for the whole head. I would shear one of the quarter into 2, and then each of those sections into 3 before braiding. That way, babe, that way your ponytail is going to come out perfect. Everything is going to lie down flat, the braids are going to be equal, and your pony is going to meet at a point and just be perfect. Those braids in the middle, apart from helping you know where to angle your braids towards, it also reduces the tension at the middle of the head, because when you braid all your ponytail into that point without putting those 4 small braids in the middle, there is this, everything goes into like a needle point, and that particular point is always itchy, always painful, the pressure is always too much to handle. So just make the 4 braids in the middle. Is going to add volume, make your ponytail look like fuller and nicer, and it is going to make sure that place doesn't itch you or dry out, and it's also going to like make you know where you are heading where you are headed. So here we are just deciding to add some flair to the ponytail by using like wavy lines instead of straight lines. This is just one of the spices you can add to your ponytail to make it look better, and at the end of the day you're going to see how this ponytail is going to turn out really beautiful, despite the fact that it is on a mannequin, and of course the hair is not like so realistic like a human being scalp, but it turned out nice. If you want to try this, please, if you try this on someone and you would like me to see, just tag me Chi Hair Diaries, same name as my channel on Instagram, and I can repost your work on our community page, so that you know we can all carry ourselves along. And at this point I'm going to let you keep watching. If you have not been skipping the ads, you have been putting food on my table, and I thank you. If you do not skip the ads, you're helping YouTubers make money. That's the only way we make money, from the videos you're watching, when it's just like a tutorial like this. So I thank you, and please don't skip the ads. And if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and have a beautiful day. Keep watching. See you at the end of the video.
quelques pas, vaincre nos douleurs et nos craintes en se serrant fort dans les bras. Si on s'est